Hello guys and welcome back to Technically. Here's what a busy week in my life looks like as a software developer. I'm focusing only on the technical stuff, so no random b-rolls of me eating in a cafe, I promise. First up, my 9 to 5. Well, in my case that's 6. I had to revive an old Android app that was stuck using Java 1.8. I had to up that version to Java 11. Then came the painful part. I had to update the Gradle and the Android Gradle plugin, which broke a bunch of deprecated dependencies, which I either had to update or replace because most of them weren't even maintained anymore. Next, I put together a proof of concept for a new Flutter app that we're gonna be building. It uses AR to make things. On the freelancing side, I wrapped up a UI makeover for a React e-commerce website that I built a while ago for a returning client. Main updates were to the home and product pages, plus integrating a third-party payment gateway. I also started putting the final touches on a Flutter social networking app that's dropping soon. The UI was done months ago, but the backend wasn't ready. But now it is, so I'm wiring up with the APIs as they come online. To finish off the week, I updated both the front end and the back end for one of my own projects, an application called Casing. It tracks songs across the top 5 K-pop charts. I'll dive deeper into the app in a future video, but here's what I worked on. First, the back end. I had to change the way I was parsing one of the charts. I had to move on from using Puppeteer to using an API call, which I found out about while reviewing a script on GitHub. The problem with Puppeteer is that it does not work in a shared hosting environment. Next, I reworked how the chart updates ran. I was using Nest.js schedule module to run every hour, but I wasn't confident it would hold in a shared hosting server. So instead, I created an endpoint that triggers the chart update, then I used cPanel's built-in cron jobs to hit the endpoint every hour. On the front end side, I added a small feature, a last updated label that shows up on top of each chart to show when it was last updated. I also updated the Android Target API to 36 and followed by a successful upload to both App Store and Google Play. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.